Hello everybody around the world and a warm welcome to It's Tool Time, the innovative broadcasting format by CERATIZIT.
I like this innovative format. It is a great addition for our experts who work in the field, who are at the customer every day in these crazy times to reach customers and to help our salespeople to bring over news and new products and ideas. So I like this idea, and together with the field sales, I think we are on the right track to win the market.
I think I like this show because it's really a demonstration of our core values. We have 4 values: long-term thinking, and such a show you need to prepare in advance, a long time in advance. Number 2, creativity. This show is all about creativity. 3, teamwork is one of our core values, and at a stage like this, you need really to work as a team. And at the end of the day, it's fighting spirit, because the day of the show you really have to be there and to be present.
To cover the digital side of this platform here and to introduce our e-mobility competence together with young talents is very amazing for me, and I think it was very nice to be part of the show.
It really feels great to be part of this special project. To come from the cycling team and then take part in a project of the company CERATIZIT, feels special to me. I'm used to race bikes, but sometimes maybe give an interview. But being in front of the camera is something special always.
For me, it was a really great experience to be part of It's Tool Time. We had a camera training up front, and I was a little bit nervous, to be honest. But now, after I've seen the professional preparation and everything, it was really nice to be with you at the show.
It was very funny to participating in the show It's Tool Time. It was a very nice experience, very interesting, and I can think that I would do it one more time again.
The biggest advantage I see is that we have the opportunity to show our success stories also to other customers outside, and to show the success stories what we already did, to show this one face to the customer with all technical and applicational background.
Oh, it was very funny to participate in our show It's Tool Time. It was very funny to stand in front of the camera, and it was so fun to share our experiences from our project management and our optimization to all over our customers. And yes, it was very funny. Thank you for this experience.
I really enjoyed participating in this event. It's a great opportunity for us to interact with our customers, and it also gives our customers the ability to interact with us as well. It's great to have this kind of unique format, and it's something that I hope we'll keep doing in the future moving forward.